Well, Animal Swirl versus Clear Blue. This could go either way in my opinion. Same. Well, choose which marble you think will win. Whoever wins this will make it to the final. So, choose wisely. Before I start the races, I must say, if you want to understand, if you didn't watch last semi-final and can't be bothered, then I'll tell you the result of that at the end of the video, but I will say spoiler alert as usual and stuff. But yeah, the rules of the semi-final, in case you haven't watched the last races, first to get to 2 points. So yeah, well, let's get started. Well, there's your very quick overview of this track before the race begins. This is made in extremely intense mob races. And we are off racing. Clear Blue leads Animal Swirl into the first funnel. And Animal Swirl makes a great cut to take the lead into funnel number 2. That was a brilliant hit. And Clear Blue had the inside cover for a split second, but Animal Swirl stole it to funnel number 3. He sure did. It looks like Animal Swirl will keep it to the right, but he gets stuck. Will Clear Blue take the lead like a boss? Yes, he will! What a great hit by Clear Blue. Well, we're in the second last funnel. Will Animal Swirl come back from that? Yes, he will! He takes the lead into the final funnel. It's the final funnel, Clear Blue's last chance. Who will win this? It's Animal Swirl. 1, Clear Blue 0. Well, Animal Swirl leads Clear Blue into the first funnel for the second race, but the race will be aborted, thanks to Clear Blue getting stuck. After that, we lost. Animal Swirl once again leads Clear Blue into the first funnel, and Clear Blue almost got stuck again. And Animal Swirl takes it to funnel number 2. This is probably the least intense marble race on this track so far. Animal Swirl is looking to keep his lead into the divider, and he sure does. Hey, that's our line. He gets stuck again, and Clear Blue isn't able to work miracles once again. There is still 2 more funnels left, including this one. Alright, we're in the final funnel. Will Animal Swirl make it to the quarterfinals, or will it go to sudden death? Animal Swirl goes through to the Marble Champions League funnel. The fans are going crazy. Not surprised. I thought Swirl was going to win against Animal Swirl in the round of 16. I thought they were going to be eliminated first round. I was definitely not thinking they'd make it to the final. Well, Animal Swirl and a bunch of fans together. Well, main highlight is definitely when Clear Blue took the lead from Animal Swirl like a boss. Well, here's a message. Alright, if you haven't watched the previous semi-final and don't want any spoilers of who made it to the final from that, go back and watch that video and then come back here. So, okay, time's up. So if you're people who don't care and want the spoilers or have already watched the last semi-final, it's basketball versus Animal Swirl. Winning my money's on basketball, but I do hope Animal Swirl wins it because I like to see underdogs win trophies. Basketball, he wins everything. So, just be nice to see an underdog lift the trophy, a bit like when Wigan Athletic won the FA Cup or Leicester City won the league. Can't think of anything else off the top of my head. If you have any more, then put them in the comments on one of me non-marble videos. One of the videos that you are allowed to put comments on. So like my videos of trains out the window. So just use that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the final. Bye bye.